Have you ever thought about turning your content creation hobby into a full-fledged business? Imagine being able to call it your own company, a Content Creation LLC. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, let's dive into what that means and how you can make it happen. First off, what exactly is a Content Creation LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that can give you a bit of a safety net. It separates your personal assets from your business ones, which means if your business faces any legal issues, your personal savings and belongings remain secure. That's a pretty big deal for anyone looking to grow their business without the added worry. Now, why would you want an LLC as a content creator? Well, for starters, it gives you more credibility. Having that official LLC tag after your business name can make you look more professional to potential clients and partners. Plus, it opens up opportunities for business bank accounts, loans, and even certain tax benefits. In the world of content creation, where competition is fierce, every little advantage helps. Another reason to consider forming an LLC is the potential for growth. Once your business is structured properly, it becomes easier to bring on collaborators, hire freelancers, or even expand into new platforms and formats. Having that formal structure in place can also make it simpler to pitch your services to brands or agencies, giving you an edge over solo creators who operate without a legal entity. So, how do you get started? The process might sound complicated, but that's where legalregistration.com steps in. We're here to simplify things for you. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111, and we'll guide you through the entire process, from choosing a business name to filing the necessary paperwork. Our expertise can make this transition smooth and stress-free. Getting an LLC might seem like a big step, but think of it as an investment in your future. By setting up a Content Creation LLC, you're saying to the world, hey, I'm serious about this. And who knows, this could be the first step in building a content empire. If you're still not sure, consider this. Having an LLC can protect your creative work. Whether it's videos, blogs, or podcasts, your content deserves to be safeguarded. And by setting up an LLC, you're starting on the right foot. And remember, you're not alone in this. Many content creators are making the leap, and the ones who prepare by setting up an LLC often find it pays off in the long run. So, if you're ready to take your content creation to the next level, reach out to legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. We're ready to help you make your dream a reality. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.